Welcome, Tana and Kevin. For us, it's a pleasure and an honor to celebrate a perfect example of love and union. It is important to realize what we are surrounded of. That is what makes our reality. And going further than that, we can understand more sacred essence, that thanks to these essence, we exist and you exist. For this, we need to call the four elements from the four cardinal points, the sacred spirits of these Mayan lands. We're going to call the heart of the sky, the heart of our beautiful Mother Earth. So, just open your heart and mind to listen to the next words that our shaman will be telling you in Mayan. You have now understood how to walk on your own path. You found someone to share that path with, and that you've been holding to her hand until this very moment. Standing next to each other, standing right next to her, at the same time learning to give her the space that she needs. At the same time, you finding the space that you need to connect always with yourself, because it is that will make you unique to love, unique to be, unique to share. Remember where you come from. And it is from there, from your deepest part of your heart and your love, that will provide a wonderful man that is standing right next to you, that you had chosen to share that path with. We have some very special seeds inside here. Since life is full of different kind of flavors, seeds represent opportunities. What do you wish to plant? Here, cacao seeds, in our traditions, in ancient times, we used to exchange them instead of gold. But these seeds, you shall put the best intentions within yourself, because you are going to exchange them one to each other's mouth. Because whatever you do, whichever action you do, whichever thought you do, whichever word you say, that is the food that you will be sharing to your beloved one. What you're holding within your hands is a shell, it's a container. It will represent the containing of your dreams, of your intentions, of your projects. Because whatever you plant, that is what you're going to harvest. So take really your time. Think in something for for yourself, for your beloved ones, for all around. And also, very special and very important, what we called at the beginning of the ceremony, the sacred essence of life. Now you're ready to exchange the sacred word of wisdom and love.
We exchange the seeds during the ceremony. We're supposed to wish and put all of our prayers into those seeds and allow our relationship to grow from them. We're supposed to put a meaning to them. And the biggest meaning I could think of to put in there was your health, so that we can continue what we've started here and we can enjoy it together for as long as we ever can. I love you.
I love you too. I love our life together. You know I'm a route person, a path person. You've changed my paths, my route. You've introduced me to new ones, encouraged me to take new paths. But ultimately, you are my path, honey. Give me the courage to do things I would have never done before. I wish you health as well, so that we can continue to do those things forever. I love you.
I love you. You're my life.
You have all the blessings from all of us, and it is now our turn to give you that last shower of blessings from our traditions, from our culture, from our people, from our roots. So, whenever you're ready, just heart to heart, look into each other's eyes, you can give that special kiss of love.